welcome to the video this week. I made this cute little peplum top and I'll show you how I made it. The final result is super cute, but I think functionally for what I'm comfortable with, I'm going to make some adjustments. So I'll show you how I got to this point. There's a little tie in the back for the skirt part, and then these chest pieces are super long, so they wrap around and you can do a lot of different things with them. So if you want to follow two original tutorials that I followed, I did one based on the skirt and then one based on the top, and I kind of mashed the two. Then you can check them out in the description. And these are reversible, so I got cheetah in black, so that's super fun, so I can wear it more muted with just the cheetah showing, or full cheetah just with the black belt. And I had a lot of learning curves. This is the first time I ever used an interfacing. I think the thing that made this turn out as well as it did was the ironing. You cannot do this without ironing everything flat. Like, these would look terrible. You have to iron. Once I show you up until this point, then we're gonna make some adjustments to make sure that this is a little bit more wearable for me in the future and have a little bit more coverage both on the center and the side. So let's get to it. little ab check. I mean, they're in there, but they're being covered. Okay. So, this is the halfway result. So, I was inspired to make this based off of an old dress I had from Disney World, and it was cheetah print Mickey heads. I was going to incorporate it in this top, but then I just realized how faded the original fabric was, so I'll use it for something else, but this top just became its own thing. However, if you can see how deep this plunges and how much side area is exposed, I'm not going to wear this, especially to a place like Disney. I really want to fix the top. I do think this is adorable, and there's like a bunch of ways you can do these. It's just not enough coverage for me. So what I'm going to do is, instead of having the length of this, I think each panel was 80 inches on each side. I'm going to give up the adaptability of this. I am just going to basically chop the end in half and basically double up the coverage. So, and then I'll have these crossing in the front, and then like kind of have a seam this way. So then this will have more coverage to the side. There'll be a seam here and then coverage to the inside. So that'll make me feel a lot more secure versus the one that is just barely covering. Let's get to it. By the time I edit this, you won't know that I already sewed the chest pieces in and then ripped them back out, and turned them back inside out. But I sewed them on. I didn't know what to do with the top. That was dumb. I should have figured that out first. But I did decide that I didn't want them this short. So I took my extra fabric and I was able to get these long pieces. So basically, there was a piece this big, and I kind of taper cutted it. I taper cutted it. I taper cut it in half to get these extras at the end. And I really wanted it to come as close to these original ones as possible. So it's just a little thicker. But what I need to do now is connect the bottom of this to the chest pieces. So I think I kind of just have to. Oh. I kind of have to like stitch it around like in a circle. Is that impossible? Gotta think about this. Okay, I figured it out. So you have to turn these right sides out because the the right sides need to face each other. So that's what I just learned the hard way. And you're going to want the same sides touching. And now I can literally sew in a circle now that this is like inside. Okay, hope that makes sense. All right, so I sewed around the edges, and this is already halfway right sides in, so I'm just going to pull it the rest of the way. Oh! Okay. Big brain. Okay, so these turned out great. I ironed them flat. Honestly, I was a little concerned before I added these straps on, and now they're gonna, when I put them in the loop thing, they're gonna be nice and finished, and it's gonna be a nice professional finish. Like I'm proud of myself. Okay, can I toot my own horn, please? Toot, toot. Now all I have to do is stick these in where they need to be, pin them, sew them. Done.